Hi, I'm Corey Rogers. I'm the Vice President of Marketing for National Equipment Dealers, and we're standing here in Fort Worth, Texas with one of our great customers, Jimmy Clack. Jimmy, I wanted to introduce you. Can you tell us a little bit about your company?
Our company is ConNanCo LLC. We're out of Fort Worth. We do a lot of work, actually all over the state. We've worked, but our core business now is in the DFW Metroplex, and on the western side here, we've done just a lot of work for several years in this area as it's growing.
Tell us a little bit about what you do.
So my main business these days is pump stations, metering stations, lift stations. But having been in the business a long time, a lot of people still consider me a utility contractor. And then other people consider me a bridge or culvert contractor because I've been in it long enough that I've transitioned from one to the other or done all of them on the same job. Today, on this job, we're doing a small subdivision in Willow Park, and it's adjacent to a much larger subdivision that we did 4 years ago. So we kind of bounce back and forth between the heavy wet infrastructure of lift stations and pump stations, and then laying pipe in subdivisions. And we will venture out every now and then and do a structured job, but very rarely.
What exactly are you doing right now?
So we're laying our trunk sewer line. This job has 18 lots, residential lots, and we're laying our trunk sewer, and we'll lay our services off of that for each lot. And the guys are laying about 400 feet of 8-inch sewer pipe now. They're going to set a manhole, and we'll do the sewer first, then we'll do the water, and then we'll do the storm sewer, and we'll turn it over to a paver, and he'll pave the road. And franchise utility guys come in, and then they'll sell the lots.
Awesome.
And they've already, this is how our market's going, they've already sold all these lots before I even hit the ground.
Wow.
So it's a good market. It's been good here for several years, and I think it's going to stay good. So
I know you bought several Hyundais from us. Behind us, we've got an HX 235, we've got an R35Z, and then I think there's a wheel loader back there, a 740-9. Right. And you own some other Hyundai equipment as well.
I also have an 80D, which is on another project right now. I've been a Hyundai owner for 6 years now, and so having been in this business 4 decades plus,
wow.
I've transitioned from brands. 2014, I rented my first Hyundai, which was a new style, and I liked it. And I liked it so much that I had gotten mad at my other dealers over parts and issues and things, and I dealt with 4 Seasons in Dallas on this one machine, and I really liked the way they treated me. I liked the guys in the service department. They treated me good. They were very attentive to what I needed, and they configured the machine the way I wanted it, you know, with quick coupler and the bucket sizes and all that. So that started my experience with Hyundai. And Hyundai as a company has proven to me that they're cutting edge. They're aggressive on changing design and upgrading things. Some of the older manufacturers take decades to change anything or upgrade, and Hyundai doesn't do that. Their machines, every cycle or every new model, their machines have already taken another step in technology and ease of operation and fuel economy. We run that 235 every day and dig and ditch, and that thing only uses about 1/4 of a tank of fuel.
Wow.
which is very economical compared to some brands. So I've went to all Hyundai on my core equipment. My machines are newer machines. They have climate control. The seats are very comfortable, but the number one thing for the people that are operating equipment for me these days is the ease of operation. They're not a complicated system, and so not only do they like how comfortable the machines are, it makes it easier to operate.
I'm Brad Rousseau, Vice President, General Manager, Four Seasons Equipment in Dallas. I'm here with Jimmy Clack, ConNanCo LLC. We're out here at his job site in Willow Park, Texas, and he is about to show us how they set a manhole.
So they've done their excavation work, and they're put in their filter fabric and their aggregate, and now they're fixing to set the base. He'll set that base, and we're using our 235. On this job, that 235 has done all the work. It's a very universal machine, very easy for what we've got. It's strong, and it has a zero tail swing, which is very important when you get in a crowded area. So we've used that, and when we need anything bigger than that, we rent from Four Seasons Equipment. And since I've been buying and owning Hyundais the last 5 years, Four Seasons really acted as a partner in our business and supplying things for us and helping us get financing, and just kept our equipment needs as up to date as anybody could ever ask for. So their parts and service department's always done a great job, and we really appreciate their help in this business.